Welcome guys, welcome to today's class on ambient engineering. On today's class we are going to be talking about temperature conversions. We are going to be looking at what is temperature, how to convert to different temperature scales from Celsius to Fahrenheit to Rankine to Kelvin, and question solutions. Please, if you are new to this channel, please do ensure to hit that subscribe button down below, and you can go down to the description down below where you will see different time codes in this video. You can switch into any part of this video you would like to watch. Let's get back into the video. What is temperature? Temperature is the degree of intensity of heat present in a substance or object expressed according to a comparative scale. All temperatures are based on some easily reproducible states, such as the freezing to boiling point of water, which are called the ice point and steam point. So the steam point for the Celsius scale is 100 degrees Celsius, and the ice point for Celsius scale is 0 degrees Celsius. Likewise for the Kelvin scale, the Rankine scale, the steam point is 671.67 Rankine. The ice point is 491.67 Rankine. Likewise for the Fahrenheit scale. Note that the magnitude of each division of 1 Kelvin and 1 degree Celsius are identical. Likewise, the same for 1 Rankine and 1 degree Fahrenheit. So what I mean by this is that for Celsius scale and the Kelvin scale, the magnitude of each division in the Celsius scale and in the Kelvin scale are identical. When you minus 100 degrees Celsius minus 0 degrees Celsius, you have 100. Likewise, for the Kelvin scale, the magnitude are identical. 300, the steam point minus the ice point will give you 100. Likewise, the Rankine scale, their magnitude are identical. The steam point minus the ice point, 100 degrees. Likewise for the Fahrenheit scale, 180. So their magnitude are identical. So let me give you guys some equations which will make conversions very easy. Equation 1. There are 4 equations to this. Temperature in Kelvin is equals to temperature in degree Celsius plus 273.15. Equation 1. Temperature in Rankine is equals to temperature in degree Fahrenheit plus 459.67. Equation 2. Temperature in degree Rankine equals to 1.8. Temperature in degree Kelvin is our equation 3. temperature in degree Fahrenheit is equals to 1.8 temperature in degree Celsius plus 32. So these are some quick formulas that will enable you to calculate temperature conversions very easily. So let's move down to some examples. Example 1. We are asked the question goes, the temperature of ambient air in certain location is measured to be minus 40 degrees Celsius. Express this temperature in Fahrenheit, Kelvin, and Rankine units. Solution. To calculate this using equation 1, which is temperature in Kelvin is equals to temperature in degrees Celsius plus 273.15. So we are already given our temperature in degree Celsius, which is minus 4 degrees Celsius. So to convert it to temperature in Kelvin, we are going to add 273. Therefore, temperature in degree Kelvin is equals to minus 40 plus 273.15. Temperature in degree Kelvin is equals to 233.15 Kelvin. Likewise, to convert this to Rankine, we are going to use equation 2. Using equation 2, which is temperature in Rankine is equals to 1.8 times temperature in degree Kelvin. Using equation 3, 1.8 times the temperature in degree Kelvin, temperature in Kelvin is equal, which is 233.15. Therefore, the temperature in Rankine is 419.67 Rankine. So the last question says we should convert it to degree Fahrenheit. To convert it to degree Fahrenheit, we are going to use equation 2, which goes temperature in Rankine is equals to temperature in degree Fahrenheit plus 459.67 using equation 2. We have our temperature in Rankine to be 419.67 from here. It's equals to temperature in degree Fahrenheit plus 459.67. Now, when this crosses the equality sign, it changes to minus, which is 419.67 minus 459.67 is equals to temperature in degree Fahrenheit, which is equals to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. So this is our answers. So moving down to example 2. Guys, this is example 2. Example 2 is a little bit trickier. The question goes, the temperature of a system drops by 45 degrees Fahrenheit during a cooling process. Express this drop in temperature in Kelvin, Rankine, and degree Celsius. So if you notice here, we are asked to look for the temperature drop in a system during a cooling process. Solution. Guys, if you notice from our previous example, I said that the magnitude of each deviation of 1 Kelvin and 1 degree Celsius are identical. Likewise, the magnitude of each division of 1 Rankine and 1 degree Fahrenheit are also identical. So therefore, the change in temperature in Rankine is equals to change in temperature in degree Fahrenheit. Therefore, since we are already given the temperature in degree Fahrenheit to be 45 degree Fahrenheit, therefore the temperature, to express this temperature drop in Rankine, the answer will be equal to 45 Rankine. Therefore, using equation 2, temperature in degree Rankine is equals to 1.8 times temperature in degree Kelvin. We already have our temperature in Rankine to be 45, which is equals to 1.8 times temperature in Kelvin divided through by 1.8. Therefore, temperature in Kelvin is equals to 25 Kelvin. In order to convert this to degree Celsius, we know that the magnitude of each division of 1 degree Celsius is the same as the magnitude of each division in 1 Kelvin. They are identical. So therefore, the change in degree Celsius is equal to change in degree Kelvin, which is equal to 25 degree Celsius. Guys, this is because this is because of the system drop. This is because there is drop in the system during the cooling process. This is going to be the end of our class. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye for now. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.